This 2012 Mercedes-Benz CLS550 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. CLS550 Sport 4Matic Sport Package Premium Sound System Navigation System Rear View Camera Heated Front Seat Spooled Front Seats Power Rear Sunshade 4.7L Turbo V8 Engine 7-Speed Automatic Transmission 4Matic All-Wheel Drive System Keyless Entry Fog Lamps Power Trunk Opener Cruise Control Power Adjustable Steering Wheel Front Parking Sensors Rear Parking Sensors Power Windows Power Door Locks Wood Trim Interior White Exterior Black Leather Interior Floor Mats Owner's Manual 2 sets of keys. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Megabyte CLS4Matic is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.